Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about the separating components of a mixture. In this kind of separating method we are talking about the evaporation. What is evaporation? Okay, let's talk about this. The evaporation method in which we will take a beaker. In this beaker we are just adding a water in this and just fill the half fill the beaker, and then we are just going to giving heat from the burner, and this is the china disc. In the china disc we will be put some dye. What is dye? Let's talk about the dye plus water is made up of made the ink. In the ink we will discuss about the dye and the water. What is dye? Dye is a coloring substance. Okay, the different kinds of colors are present in the dye, and the dye is mixed with the water, and then it will be formed into the ink. When we just heat the beaker, in the beaker contain water, and water will be boiled, and the boiling steam is a hot, and by this steam the china disc will be heated. By this heating the dye is just getting separated from the water. How? The water just evaporate by the heating. When the total water is just evaporate, then the only dye content will be here in the china disc. So now the water is going up, and only the dye containing colors present in the china disc. So this is the evaporation method. By these we can separate the dye from the water. Okay, so this is the ink mixture of water and dye. And another topic, the another separation method. The different kind of mixtures are present in our daily day-to-day life. In this kind of mixture we will use the many different kind of techniques to separate one substance to another. The another separation technique is called centrifugation. In the centrifugation only the one physical phenomena is important. What is the phenomena? In this process the mixture is rotated very fast, then the denser particles are settled and the lighter particles stay top. So there is the test tube or the test tube like thing, and just kept it, and the solution is in the blood. When the blood is rotating in the circular dimension, and the denser part of the blood is settled down here, and the lighter particles are going to be top. So this kind of thing is just separating by the centrifugation. So used in the diagnostic laboratories, blood, urine test, separate the butter from the milk, and then squeeze water from the wet cloth in the washing machine. Okay, that's all about the separating techniques. Thank you.